Good morning, everybody. It's December 22nd, 2009, and hopefully we can make this a profitable day for you. Going into the S&P 500 futures contract, we haven't been able to break out of that 20 handle range up top. That is our resistance level, okay? So looking to break above that, I'm looking bullish, but I don't see any reason why we're going to break out of that 90 to 20 level band. We see some fantastic news or some unbelievable economic happening. That's wonderful, but I don't see it happening in the next couple of days. Yes, it's the holiday rallies. Everything's looking so-so. All I can say is, on the trading aspect, look for the 20 handle, use that as a pivot. If we sustain a trade above the 21 handle in the futures and the 25.48 level in the cash, remember, it has to sustain above that level, then we're looking for a bullish move to the upside. Otherwise, you can use the 20 handle as a resistance level to bang against and possibly put some offers up there. Other than that, be very careful. It's still a very thin, choppy market. It could go down and move up for no reason whatsoever. So again, have a wonderful, profitable, careful day. Happy holidays. Talk to you soon.